guys, today let's learn how to play this beautiful song Pasoori through our flute. This lesson is an easy lesson. I'm not using the original scale, okay? Today I'm using my C natural medium scale flute, and you guys can use any flute that you have. And notation, you guys can get it from my WhatsApp channel, link in the description. And when you play this song is an easy, but when you play this song you guys have to play both re, komal re and shuddha re, and also with komal ni. So two komal swaras like komal re and komal ni with shuddha re, and all other notes are shuddha notes. Okay, so I will show you which part that I'm going to teach you today, and then I will start the lesson. Okay. This part. Okay, so let's get started. First line goes like this. Mama re re mare koma re re shuddha. Mama re re mare koma re then shuddha. Mama re re mare re re re, and then re mare gare komal re re. Re mare gare re re re, and then gare re sa sa gare re sa sa, gare re sa sa gare re sa, and then pada re re ga re, pada komal re shuddha re, ga komal re shuddha re, pada re ga re. Okay, and then ma re ga re komal re, ma re ga re, and then sorry, yeah, re mare ga re mare ga re komal re shuddha re, and then pada komal re shuddha re, ga komal re shuddha re, pada re ga re, and then re ma pa da komal ni da pa ma ga, re ma pa da ni da pa ma ga. Whenever you play ni, it is komal ni. Okay, re ma pa da ni da pa ma ga, and then pa ma ga re, pa ma ga re komal re shuddha re. Okay, and then na 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 once again. Re sa re ma 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 pa da da pa, and then again same line. Same line for 2 times, okay? One more time. Re sa re ma 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 pa da da pa, re sa re ma 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 pa da da pa, and then ma ga ga pa ma ma ga re ga ma ga, ma ga ga pa ma ma ga re ga ma ga, and then ga ma pa ma ga re re re, ga ma pa ma ga re, komal re, shuddha re. I'm sorry. Okay, now let's move to the female part. Okay, first line goes like this. Ma 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 ga ga ma re. When you play re, you need to come from ga, like re. One more time. Ma 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 ga ga ma re. And repeat the same line for 2 times like this. Ma 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 ga ga ma re. Ma 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 ga ga ma re. And then same notes. Ga ga re sa sa, ga ga re sa sa, and then pa da re re re, pa da komal re 3 times, pa da re re re, and then re ga komal re, shuddha re ga re, and then da 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 pa pa da ma, da 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 pa pa da ma, and then da 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 pa pa sa da ma, pa pa sa dha ma. When you come to ma, you guys need to come from pa, like you need to touch pa, okay? And then same notes, pa pa ma ga ga, pa pa ma ga ga, and then komal re re re, and then shuddha re ga, komal re, shuddha re re ga re, and then this part we played before. Re ma pa da ni da pa ma ga re re. One more time. Re ma pa da ni da pa ma ga re re. Okay, and then re sa re ma pa da da pa. One more time. Re sa re ma pa da da pa, and then re sa re ma pa da da ni da pa, re sa re ma pa, sorry, re sa re ma pa da da ni pa da da ni pa. You need to come to pa from ni, pa da da ni pa, like that, and then ma ga ga pa ma ga re ga ma ga pa ma ga re ga ma ga ma pa ma ga re re, ga ma pa ma ga re re. So that's how we play that whole part, and I hope you guys will be able to play this beautiful song after watching this video, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. If this video helps you, don't forget to comment and like this video. And so let's meet in another tutorial video. Until that, keep playing, keep practice. Thank you for watching.